Publishing a tender with approvals. When a tender is ready, the approvals need to be completed before the tender can be approved. All the approvers will be listed in the Approvals section, and the status updated when the user has approved. The pre-published approvals are budget, content, and finally publication approval. The budget approval can be bypassed but needs to be approved before the tender is awarded. The first approval is the content approval. Click the Start button. The Approve button will show for the user in the approval list. Click to approve or reject, and enter an optional comment. If the approval is rejected, it will stay in that status until it has been approved. While the approvals are in process, the documents are locked. If further editing is required, preparation phase will need to be restarted, and the content approval also started again. Next is the publication approval. Click the Start button, and approve or reject the tender publication. After the last user approves the publication, the tender is automatically published and open to the vendors on the publication date.